Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we bring you the best tech tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today I'm going to show you how to whitelist emails in Gmail. Whitelisting ensures that important emails always make it to your inbox and don't get lost in spam folder. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com. Make sure you are logged into your Gmail account. To whitelist an email address, you need to create a filter. Click on gear icon in the top right corner of the screen and select See All Settings. In the Settings menu, click on the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Next, click on Create a New Filter. This is where we can specify email addresses we want to whitelist. You can also enter a domain to whitelist all emails from that domain. For example, entering @example.com will whitelist all emails from that domain. After entering the email address or domain, click on Create Filter. Now, you will see a list of actions you can apply to emails from this address or domain. To whitelist the email, check the box next to Never Send It to Spam. You can also apply other actions such as always mark it as important or categorize as primary to further ensure you never miss an email from this address. Once you have selected your preferred options, click on Create Filter again to save it. And that's it. You have successfully whitelisted an email address in Gmail. From now on, emails from this address or domain will always land into your inbox and won't be marked as spam. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Whitelisting emails in Gmail is a great way to ensure important messages don't get lost in spam folder. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.